A very good morning, students. Welcome to Physical Science online class. Our third chapter name is Acids, Bases and Salts. We know that in our previous class, 7th class onwards, acids, bases and salts. Once again, I recall the previous topics only. Afterwards, we will discuss about the our chapter acids, bases and salts. In the chapter, we have to learn about define acids and bases, classify substances into acids and bases, define indicators, describe the effect of indicators on different substances, list out the properties of acids and bases, explain acid rains, discuss the neutralization reaction, identify the acids, salts, basic salts and neutral salts. Mention the uses of acids, bases and salts. In our daily life, we are using so many acids and bases. First of all, we will learn about the general definitions of acid and base. Any substance which, when dissolved into the water, produces hydrogen ions, that is the H plus ions. Base, any substances which, when dissolved into the water, produces hydroxide ion, OH minus ion, both OH and H plus ions producing in water molecule. Water molecule H2O deviated into H plus ions and OH minus ions. That is the equilibrium constant Kw equal to H plus OH minus ions. Here, constant value of water is 1.0 into 10 to the power of minus 14. We know that large number of substances such as lemon, tamarind, common salt, sugar and vinegar have different taste. Even our food has a lot of varieties and also different items have the different taste. Do you know what makes lemon and vinegar sour in taste? Do all the items have the same taste? In what way they are different? What kind of tastes food substances we eat have? Taste of substances. The substances such as curd, grapes, lemon juice, orange juice, tamarind, etc. have sour taste. The sour substances found in nature are prepared artificially or called acids. The substances like baking soda solution, soap solution, etc. have the bitter taste. As these solutions do not have sour taste, they are not acids. The substances which have a bitter taste and feel soapy touch are known as bases. The acids which are found in plants and animals are commonly called natural acids or organic acids. The table given below gives the names of natural occurring acids. Now we have to learn acids and their uses. Hydrochloric acid HCl used to remove rust from metals. Any iron metal rusted, we are removed using hydrochloric acid. Sulfuric acid used in automobile batteries, fertilizers, paints, plastic and dyes. Sulfuric acid H2SO4. Sulfuric acid formula is H2SO4. Next one, nitric acid HNO3 used in fertilizers, plastics, photographic films, explosive and dyes. Last one, acetic acid used in food supplements as a raw material and used as solvent. Finally, in our intestines also small quantity of acetic acid there. These are the uses of acids. How to find out that is acid or base? What is an indicator? A substance which changes color depending on whether the solution tested is acidic or alkaline. That means base. They are usually solutions. Can come from natural sources or synthetic sources. Activity. Natural indicators. Take some turmeric powder, add a bit of water to it. Now prepare turmeric paste. Rub the turmeric paste on the white paper. Cut the strips of the yellow paper. Put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. Observe the changes. Repeat the same procedure with lime water and observe the changes. We have observed that the turmeric changes color when soap water or lime water is added. Finally, we learned that the substances that indicate a change in color when some substances are added to them are known as indicators. So, turmeric powder is indicator. Natural indicators around us. In special types of substances which change their color when come in contact with acidic or basic substances are called indicators. These are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. The following are the natural indicators around us. They are turmeric, China rose petals, phenolphthalein solution, methyl orange solution and litmus solution. Turmeric. Turmeric as an indicator identifies basic solution only. Its color changes to red when come in contact with basic solution. Its color does not change in acidic or neutral solution. China rose petals. China rose is a flower which has pink petals. The colored solution extract from it a light pink color. When used as an indicator, its color changes to green in basic solution and dark pink color in acidic solution. Its color does not change in neutral solution. Turmeric powder and China rose petals are natural indicators. Now, phenolphthalein indicator, this is the artificial indicator. Phenolphthalein is a chemical compound with the formula C20H14O4, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and is often written as Hin or Popa. In shorthand notation, phenolphthalein is often used as an indicator in titrations. For this application, it turns colorless in acidic solutions and pink in basic solutions. Phenolphthalein is insoluble in water and usually is dissolved in alcohols for use in experiments. It is a weak acid which can lose H plus ions in solution. The phenolphthalein molecule is colorless and the phenolphthalein ion is pink color. Phenolphthalein solution. Phenolphthalein is an organic dye prepared by dissolving it in alcohol. Its solution is colorless when it comes in contact with basic solutions such as soapy solution, shampoo solution, washing soda solution, etc. its color changes to deep pink color but when the solution is acidic or neutral solution. Methyl orange. Methyl orange is one of the indicator commonly used in titrations because of its clear and distinct color change. It gives red-orange color with acids and yellow color in bases. Litmus solution. A litmus solution is made from a purple dye. It is extracted from the lichen, which is a plant belonging to division Tholophyta. The solution of litmus in distilled water is purple color. The solution is called litmus solution. Litmus is available in the form of solution or in the form of strips of paper. Once again listen. Litmus. Litmus indicator solution turns red in acidic solutions and blue in alkaline solutions, and it turns purple in neutral solutions. Litmus paper is usually more reliable and comes as red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. The table shows the color changes it can make. Acidic solution, red litmus stays red, blue litmus turns into red litmus. Neutral solution, red litmus stays red, blue litmus stays blue. Alkaline solution, red litmus turns into blue litmus, blue litmus stays blue litmus. These are the identifications of the acidic nature, basic nature and neutral nature. Litmus paper is available in red and blue colors. A litmus paper is used to test the acidic or basic nature of solution. When a litmus paper touches an acid, the blue coated paper changes to red color. Similarly, when litmus paper touches a base, the red coated paper changes into blue color. Effect of litmus paper. The solutions which do not change the color of either red or blue color are known as neutral solution. These substances are neither acidic nor base. The paper strips like litmus paper strips change color based on the nature of the material put on them. These are all indicators. They tell us whether a substance is acidic or basic. Acid or acidic nature. The substances which give a burning sensation when touched with bare skin are acidic in nature. For example, when a honeybee stings a person, it injects an acid a person's skin which causes pain and irritation. Basic nature. The substances which are soapy touch and bitter taste. This is the basic nature. Nature of substances. Take a long magnesium ribbon. Use a sandpaper to rub and clean the ribbon. Hold the ribbon using a pair of tongs. Burn the ribbon using a spirit lamp or Bunsen burner. Collect the white ash in the watch glass. Take some water in a beaker. Dissolve white ash in it. What happens here? Now, test this solution by dipping the blue and red litmus papers. Now, test this solution by dipping blue litmus and red litmus paper. Red litmus paper turns into blue litmus paper. That is the basic nature. In this activity, we observe that red color litmus paper changes to be blue when it touches the solution, whereas blue litmus paper unchanged. Finally, we learn that the oxides of magnesium when dissolved in water from magnesium hydroxide. That is why red litmus paper turns into blue litmus paper, that is the basic nature. Magnesium plus water molecule gives rise magnesium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas is evolved. Similarly, oxides of potassium and sodium when dissolved in water, potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. Reaction between acids and metals. Pickles and other sour substances are acidic in nature when they are stored in metal containers made of brass or copper. They get spoiled. This is due to the reaction of acids and metals. To avoid these, inner sides of vessels made up of brass and copper. Acidic rain. As the name indicates, the rain which contains excess of acids are called acidic rain. When harmful gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide react with moisture present in air, they form nitric acid and sulfuric acid. These acids, when dropped down on earth along with rain, called acid rain. Acid rain causes skin irritation, inhibits germination of plants, causes corrosion to bridges and buildings. It changes the fertile of the soil, destroys plants and aquatic life. Acid rains are also witnessed in Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam district. Reaction of acids and bases with metals. Place a retard stand on a table, adjust and fix the test tube on horizontal rod. Take about 10 ml dilute HCl in test tube. Observe the surface of zinc granules. Insert one end of delivery tube into test tube through a cork and insert the other end of the delivery tube in a tub of water. Fill the glass tub with soap water. Now the gas evolved from the test tube passes through the delivery tube into the soap water. At this time, bring a lighted candle near the gas filled bubbles in the tub. Observe the reactions. In this activity, we observe that colorless and odorless gas comes out of the delivery tube. Bubbles are formed in the soap solution. The gas evolved burns with a pop sound. Since the gas evolved from the tub gives pop sound near the burning matchstick or candle, it is conformed to hydrogen gas produced by the zinc granules and dilute HCl solution. Finally, this activity tells us hydrogen gas is evolved. Acids react with metals. Take a test tube, clean it using clean dropper. Pour 10 drops of hydrochloric acid carefully in the test tube. Now add 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator solution. We know that phenolphthalein indicator, that is the purple color solution. Observe the color changes. We pour the HCl. Now add sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop to the test tube. Shake it well. After adding each drop, observe the change in the color of the solution. Keep adding the sodium hydroxide drop by drop until the color begins to turn pink. Once again, add drop by drop hydrochloric acid to the solution mixture until the solution in the test tube becomes colorless. what we have observed? In this activity, we observed that there is no change the color of hydrochloric acid while adding phenolphthalein solution. The color of the solution in the test tube becomes pink by adding drop by drop sodium hydroxide solution. The pink color of the mixture solution becomes colorless by adding few drops of hydrochloric acid. Here we will find out that acids changed colorless solution, bases are changed into pink color solution to the phenolphthalein indicator. We also learn that the effect of base is nullified an acid. When acids and bases are mixed in definite properties, they give a neutral solution. The reaction of acids and bases produces salt and water. Here acid is HCl, base is sodium hydroxide. Then HCl plus NaOH, after we can find out the NaCl plus H2O will be released. Salts. Acid plus base gives rise salt plus water, that is the neutralization process. We have seen in the process of neutralization both acid and bases are mixed in different properties produces salt and water. For example, by neutralizing hydrochloric acid solution with sodium hydroxide solution, a salt sodium chloride is produced. Production of salt depends on the type of acid and base. Fertile land, organic manures. In recent years, the use of chemical fertilizers increased. Though the use of chemical fertilizers increases production, it affects the nature of soil. Some fertilizers increases the acidity of the soil and some it bases it. Once again recall the today's topics. The substance such as curd, grapes, lemon juice, orange juice, tamarind, etc. have sour taste. The sour substances found in nature are prepared artificially or called acids. The substances like baking soda solution, soap solution have bitter taste as these substances do not have sour taste. They are not acids. The substances which have a bitter taste and feel soapy are known as bases. The substances that indicate a change in color when some substances are added to them are known as indicators. The solution of litmus in distilled water in purple in color, this solution is called the litmus solution. Litmus is available in the form of solution or form of strips of paper. The blue coated paper changes to red when it touches an acid. The red coated paper changes to blue when it touches a base. A solution which do not change the color of either red or blue litmus are known as neutral solutions. These substances are neither acidic or basic. The substances which give a burning sensation when touched with bare skin are acidic in nature. The substances which are soapy to touch are basic in nature. As the name indicates, the rain containing excess of acid is called the acid rains. Acid rain causes skin irritation, inhibits germination of plants, causes corrosion to bridges and buildings. It changes the fertile of the soil, destroys plants and aquatic life. The effect of basic is nullified by an acid. When acids and bases are mixed in definite proportions, they give a neutral solution. And salts which are changed red litmus to blue litmus salt are called basic salts. Some salts affect neither blue nor red litmus. These are called the neutral salts. Next class we will discuss about acids, bases and salts react with metals and non-metal activities. Thank you and God bless you all.